Hi, Brunda.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good, Brunda. So, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side, Brunda. So, before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Myself, Brunda. I'm a civil engineering graduate from SJBIT, and right now I'm taking CACM course, and I got placed here. So I'm
Okay, fine. So, how did you get to know about CMTI, Brunda?
through my friend, ma'am. She referred me.
Okay, fine. So, what and all you learned here, Brunda, apart from your college syllabus? What was the new thing you learned here?
I opted for interior designer. So I basically learned about the interior designing only here. I was interested in interiors only.
Okay, fine. So, how was your trainers and all? Natarajan sir, Gandhi sir, Anand sir. How was the like? As you took the courses in online, right? So, how was the trainer coordination?
It was good, man.
Fine. So, what about your trainers and all?
Trainers are they are good, man.
They are good. Okay, fine. Okay, app Brinda.
CMTI ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ನಾವೇ ಫ್ರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಬಹುದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Okay, fine. So, whether you are happy with your placements?
ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ
Okay. So, is it CMTI providing opportunities?
yes ma'am they're providing opportunities.
Okay, fine. So, what about CMTI staffs and all, Brenda? How was their coordination throughout the process?
Their coordination was pretty good only ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Apart from the syllabus, there is much more here to learn. So they can join if they are willing to join.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you so
Thank you,
much for
ma'am.
your feedback. And I hope all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Brenda.
much, ma'am.